All right, what's up, guys? Jay Hankis here, your Builderall training support specialist and network marketing slash MLM. Hope you guys are having a good Monday today. Happy Monday, and we're almost done with the month. Man, we're already February 22nd. It's insane. And with me here, I have Hadi. What's up, Hadi? Good evening, bro.
Hey. How you doing, everybody? Yeah, we are always on our work, moving things forward. Yeah, with Jen.
Busy, man.
Yeah,
As you guys know, this would be our episode 3 of our season 1 for this case study that we're trying to do. Well, not trying, we're doing. And Hadi is with the company Better Living. And
forever living,
huh?
forever
For,
living.
forever living. Forever living, which gives you better living.
hmm
So yeah, so with that being said, today guys, since it's Monday, we're not gonna give you an hour long video. Right? We're gonna try to keep it short as possible. But you know me, I could say short and it ends up being maybe an extra 40 minutes. So we'll see. Hopefully we'll keep it short. Let's share my screen here. Nope. So last time you guys saw, we had shown you. Let's show you the before actually, before we actually do anything. I'll show you the one. All right, so let's go to here. So this was the previous one that um, was paid for, right? So the funnel was created and it looks good. We liked it. It's just that we had to change a couple of things because we're gonna create a funnel for it with so that we can send traffic and have people sign up to the email list and also hopefully buy. And this loaded. So here we forgot by mistake. I kind of saved first the image because he had different images, but I changed the image. I save and I'm like, oh wait, I forgot to make a duplicate first. So here, this image is the current image, so that you guys know when we go to the other one, the one that we just edited, you're gonna see the same image because that's the image that we replaced. All right. So there's the button that we had here. This is still good. We like this. We didn't like the button. We changed this, took it out. And I forgot we need to add this. Forget about that. Add the price back. We're a video with the YouTube, but the video from the video hosting.
hmm
And yeah, and that's it. That's the old image, the old page that was created. And then I'm gonna show you guys the new one. And also, this was the thank you page, speciality thank you page. This is basically an email confirmation page. So now we're going to show you the one that we edited. And this is the new one. Let's check it out. So like I said, same picture. Just also we noticed that the word challenge was spelled wrong. So that we got to fix. We'll edit that real quick. And the button was fixed also. And then here, as you can see, the button changed. And this used to take you to a pop-up. It doesn't take you to a pop-up anymore. The buttons change. As you can see, we took off that stuff here. I got to add the price right here. The frequently asked questions. All that is there. Okay, I guess that's good. And it's super laggy. Sorry about that, guys. This is this computer. As you can see here, the challenge, we got to change that and fix it. But that's the page that people are going to land once they opt in. We need to have an opt-in page. And of course, to save time, Hadi and I, we are trying to meet throughout the week before we do this live. So we do changes, we talk. That way we don't bore you guys with our boring conversations. So we did this, and this is our capture right here. So that is the simple capture page that we're going to send traffic. Right? We just want people to opt in and come in. They'll put in their information, they'll register, and it will go to the confirmation page because we want them to double opt in. And they're going to get a 10% discount. So they're going to want to go check their email. But if for some reason they can't check their email, we do have the continue the product page. Because we don't want to lose them. We don't want to X out and miss out on the opportunity to actually come and purchase. So let's close this. So now what I want to let you guys know, when you guys are creating your capture pages, you want to do some research on other companies. So since we are doing weight loss, all I did went, let's say, to Google, and I would type out the way. I would type weight loss challenge, weight loss idea, or the weight loss challenge. That's the first one there. There's a diet bet. Okay, then I'll be
What's your website?
health wage.
Hmm.
Usually these are, I don't know. Usually these are backlinks to like other products. Or instead of weight loss challenge, let me actually just type in weight loss. That might work. Well, I went too far back. So let's just do weight loss. So here we have a whole bunch of, let's check out. Let's see. Weight loss tips. And so we're gonna check all these so you can see something that might give you some inspiration on how your funnel maybe might look, or maybe how your capture page might look, and also the wording for your capture page, right? You want to see what's working out there, what people are using for their content, and then you don't want to copy per se, but you do want to get like a blueprint. So, see. So far I haven't found anything good. But I do have one here that I found in advance. But this is one. This is the very typical. This is usually for like Google ads.
Hmm.
People that run Google ads, you need to have a good amount of detail of your product so people can opt in. But as you can see, if people are running ads and they're spending money, right, it's not going to be there for long working, especially if they're retargeting. Because after this website, ads about on Facebook and on Instagram, they're spending money. But
Mm-hmm.
so that's something that you guys want to think about when you start building your funnels and how to get ideas. Is see at your competition of other maybe advertising for a niche that you're doing, replicate it, right? Don't copy it to the T. Just do what's working and give your taste, your touch. So here they're asking name, email, phone number, address, all this information. And I'm pretty sure a lot of, well, not a lot, but I'm pretty sure a good amount do put their information. I just saw something here that I don't like. My eye burning. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
That bright. I would recommend you guys do something like that. I know you want to stand out. That doesn't help. Red is okay. That stands out. Red to this bright. No. Darker
Blue
yellow.
sheet.
What was that?
Maybe because he has blue.
Yeah. Or even like this kind of purple color up here, or just darker yellow if they want to keep, or this purple or dark, right? but we're not this here. I'm just saying from what I see right away. But as you can see, it's short. It's not a lot of stuff. The only thing is this is a lot. You can see that this is not actual like content on the website. It's literally a whole picture as a banner. Like if we're speaking at things, the Builderall site builder way, this right here, whole panel, and it has a background. This image, girl, and I did this in Photoshop or maybe in Canva, and then you have this, the content added with your website, right? Like with Builderall, which is the marketing form, right here. And then they added this, as you can see. Look, I can do this to a an item in the website. You know, is a picture. I can't because well, there's the. But if I were to write and like let's say like save as, it would save a website, and you would see this picture here. But as you can see, that's a picture. This is actual content. That's a picture. That's a two, and this is actual content. So you guys like what I want you to get you when you look at websites, it as it is. Had eyes of like builder, let's call builder eyes, so that everything is the builder way. So you know that okay, this is an image from when I go to my website builder. I don't have it open. This is how you guys are able to build your websites a little bit faster and you get to understand your websites is when you already know the tool, you know what's what. You know that okay, so this is an image, this is a text, right? This is with links, so this is a panel. So for here, I know there's an image and horizontal or whatever, and this is another image. It's not multiple little tiny images. It's actually one whole big image. And oh my god, that yellow again. And then all this. This is an image too. Okay. So you can look at this and you see that there's a panel, there's an image, and then it has a background that sticks. So that way it has that effect, which is the same effect that we have on this one. This is the same thing. And doing that, those type of things is not complicated. It's just on the background when you select it and you edit this out the way. Where is it? It's supposed to show right here, but you say keep fixed, which it is. I don't know why it's not highlighted there. But that's how you do that effect. You guys were wondering. Why is this coming up? All right. So definitely guys remember this. Whenever you do your funnels, go to the websites, go through the funnels, see how they are, and then find the best one that you know might be easier for you to do if you're or do a combination, right? Do a combination of different funnels and make your own from that. The next thing that we need to do, since we created the capture page, which is right here. This is a capture page that we created. Let's close this. Right, we wanna do a split test with this because we want to see how many people we get that just put in their email compared to how many people we get that put in their name, email, and phone number. So for that, we're going to create a split test. And how do you do that? Before you had to go back to the Cheetah Funnel Builder and do it through there. But since Builderalls is awesome, I have here the split test. I just click right here on split test. And here I click on add split test, which I guess I added before. Don't know. So the main page is lose weight in 9 days.
Mm.
And then the target page is the confirmation page, because that's where they're going to land after. So then we press save.
Let me check again the page. If it is lose weight in Orlando. I'm sure.
Should be 9 days wait. Now if I make a duplicate, make it this. Okay.
So
See,
9 days wait.
yeah, so the 9 weight loss, that's the capture page. Or not. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this will be the capture page. Why didn't go to the capture page? Hmm? Okay, it's weird.
It's weird because
Let's republish. Maybe something happened. Okay. Let me edit. Okay, so yeah, it's the right one. So for some reason, let's test it now that I republish. Okay. Yeah, so we're good.
9 days.
Let's check here settings for this one. This is the copy. Okay. So this is the copy. This is the one that we want to change slightly. So instead of title, let's do 9 days lose weight challenge. Just call it B. And here, let's just do B, challenge B. We can distinguish them. We added an A, so A. So let's see. Main page weight loss, target confirmation.
Remove that and see. It's okay. This is the real one. Yeah.
Yeah, so we have here B and A. You know, let's delete the whole thing and try it
Yeah.
again, because since it got me confused.
Okay.
So let's do the add split test again. All right, so here we go. So we got A. Is the target, meaning where's it going to land after they get to that page and they confirm their stuff, which is a confirmation page. Okay, so we got A. So then we do the other variation, which is B. There you go.
I have a question.
Yeah.
For the split test, capture page, it will be the same capture page for both of the split test because we have only one capture page there. We didn't add the phone number.
Yeah, no, we're setting it up, and now we're going.
Okay.
So we know that which is which. So this one is the B. No, this one's A. Let's do, so I know A is over here and B is over there. Because I can't see it here. Okay.
Okay.
So this B. So B is going to be the one that we're going to do and put the phone number. Now to do this, guys, if you don't know, let's add it and then we'll go back. So here we have it, C9, name and number.
Okay.
All right. So here we have the first name, email, and phone number. Let's save it.
Mhm.
And for you guys to actually do that to your list, you need to go and actually create a new list in MailerBoss. And we did that. But just to show you how you guys do the new list with the phone number, let's create a new list. Let's just call this testing TD. Testing list 1 and same thing, same thing. It's going to be a double opt-in. So we want their name. We want the phone number. Now, something that a lot of people make this mistake. I'm not sure if I'm pretty sure on the training that we have, the knowledge base, because I made the mistake also, and then I saw the video on how to do it right. People are just adding phone number, but you don't want to do just that. You need to actually have these two things, which is the phone number prefix and the phone number text field. So the phone number prefix is your country code. So that's why usually I like to, just so that I know, I like to just call this country code. Country code. Code. Is it a requirement? No, they don't have to give the phone number. Right, same thing with this. So this is the country code, and then this is where they will put their phone number. And then of course the sort order, which is something that you guys should always remember to do. The name is going to be 0 by default. Same thing with the email is 0 by default. So if the name is 0, I want the email to be number 2. And phone number, there's a phone number, it's going to be number 4. The prefix is going to be number 3. And then email is going to be number 2. And then if we press save changes and we go back to fields, you're going to say that we have the first name is 0, which we could change it to 1 if we want to. Then email is number 2, country code's number 3, and the text field for the phone number is number 4. You guys always want to do that. And then that's what's going to show over here. And that's the order that it's going to take. So we have that, and that is safe. So we have the split test. And since we just did that, let's republish. And now let's do, before we this, like I said, I wanted a short live, as short as possible before we end this. I want to see, what should I do now that I saved, I republished? What's that magical 4-letter word that you should do when you're done editing something on your website? I'll wait comments. I'll give you guys 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I see that word in the comments. Tell them what they be doing now.
You need to republish after you save and edit everything. You need to republish.
Okay, but what I have to do after I do that? What should I do? What should I make sure to see? It's a 4-letter word. Starts with a T.
Yes, you need to test it.
Definitely.
Yeah.
All right, so we have, let's get this. Let's go back over here. And what we're going to do is, let's make one of these, let's make this one the home page. Is it the home page? Yes. So let's save and republish. Let's go back. Then let's open this. Okay. So we got one capture page here. Let's see if we open incognito. There you go.
Mhm.
Same website, same domain, but since I'm doing split test, I see two different websites, which is good. So it's working.
Mhm.
So if I refresh this, it's still gonna show me this same website because it all depends on your cookie and your history. And if I go to my incognito, I see this one.
Mhm.
You guys see that? So that's how split test should be. So if I were to send this to Hadi, let me send it to you in the chat. Where
Okay.
chat's over here. I'm gonna send it to you. You click on it and tell me which one you see.
Mhm. I'm seeing the A.
A.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. And now you see over here there was two axes with A, and then only one with B because that was me.
Mhm.
So then this is how we're going to know later on once we send traffic
Mhm.
what's doing better, because we're going to see who actually puts in their information. Like what's the percentage going forward. So right now 0 because nobody has put in their information. I didn't put my info, and neither did Hadi. So guys, that's it for today. We're keeping it short. We're trying to get small little bite-sized detailed information, and so that you guys can go steps, go process, right? This is not all just like one day, give it all to you. I want you to take your time, because building a funnel can be very lucrative for you, because that one funnel can bring you hundreds and thousands of dollars if you do it right. And no actual formula that's gonna guarantee you're gonna have success. The only formula that's gonna guarantee you for success is test. That's the only formula. You gotta test, you gotta test, you gotta test, see what works. Once you find that formula for you, then you can say, I found a formula that works, but for me. If you give me that formula, it's not going to work for me. You get to test it differently.
Mhm.
And everybody's, I would call audience and company and point of view is different. So someone tells you that the formula, that you make millions with this funnel and with this website, run. It's not 100%. It's not always like that. Okay, guys. So let me stop sharing. All right, guys. So that's it for tonight. Thank you once again for tuning in here to our episode 3 of our season 1 of our case study here with Hadi and his network marketing company. So that's it for tonight. I will see you guys actually not tomorrow. Tomorrow's Tuesday. So Tuesday means it's our Tuesday night training. So it's not gonna be here on our group. It's gonna be, actually, you need to go to where's it, your dashboard. When you go to your dashboard, you're gonna go to events, calendar, and there you're going to see it says Tuesday night training. And that's where you will see me tomorrow, and everybody that's going to be watching the Tuesday night training and learning. Come join us. I really recommend you guys join us, because we're there for 2 hours doing live training on Builderall tools, ideas, and a whole bunch of things. So make sure you guys definitely join us tomorrow, Tuesday night at 8 o'clock, for a weekly Tuesday night training. And also don't forget, we're doing our e-learning course challenge that is going on right now that should be in your back office when you log into your Builder main back office. Let me see if I show you guys real quick before we leave. So when you log into your back office, you should see it right here. So make click on that. And when you click on that, it's going to take you to this website. And since we already started, you can join us here live. Well, it's not live now, but you'll see it live tomorrow for day 2. Right now, this is the replay for day 1. And you should see it right there. And tomorrow I'll be there because tomorrow is my day. I'll be tomorrow at 12 o'clock noon. And then you guys can also at Friday, I mean not Friday, well the Tuesday night at 8 o'clock. Okay. So guys, that's it. Thank you once again. My name is Gene Hikis, your Builderall training support specialist in network marketing / MLM. And don't forget guys, let's go build it with Builderall. All right, Howdy. Thank you, man.
Thank you,
Yeah.
man. Thank you so much.